My past doesn't dictate me, my vision does.
Message. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a homage beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What state do you live in?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What state do you live in? Do you live in Texas, California? How about New York, Florida? How about free state? Free state of mind. Bring your state of mind. What's your state of mind exuding on a daily? Are you prosperous or successful? Are you laggeth and lazy? Do you have will, determination? Are you a negative thinker? Fearful in your endeavors? How about sadness? Is she constantly in your state? When we talk about states or state of mind, we're talking about our energy you're giving to these situationships. Do you fall asleep tired and dreading life, or do you fall asleep calm, peaceful, and excited to get into the astral realms? Your mindset dictates your reality, and your reality is a persistent, stubborn illusion. These feelings, these emotions, these belief systems are magnetized by the way you set your state of mind up, your mindset up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Damn. Already programmed. My past doesn't dictate me, my vision does.
Message.
How I visualize and see myself on a daily is what's ruling my universe. What is my state of mind? If the mind is all and the universe is mental, then that means you have the power and faculties to control your universe. Your own universe. The outer world is a mirror reflection of your inner world, your innerverse. You're in a mirrorverse. You're in a mirrorverse. You're in a mirrorverse. What state of mind are you in that's dictating your present? This is what we're talking about when we say you are God, you are chaos being. If your outlook is with scarcity and worry, your world will reflect that. If your outlook is of courage and confidence, your world will reflect that accordingly. Things might happen in your day. Something might throw you off. Took a loss here, got a bad deal there. But are you going to let that situation dictate who you are? You are not that disappointing situation that happened to you in your 20s. Don't give that shit no life. You feeding an outdated situation, your emotion is giving it life.
Boom.
Life inside of your being. You're a conqueror, a magician, the ultimate observer. And you have the right to drive through your state with chaos. Dream wise.